Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027 how to align objects. So for example, you can draw rectangle and next I will draw polygon with 5 for sides. Okay, I will create here. Now if you want to align these objects, you can type align, press enter. So I will select this polygon, enter again. Now for point, I will click at this point, move into this corner, and the second from this point into this corner. Now you can press enter to align. I will move again this object. You also can align with scale, like I will use again align command. Select the objects, enter again, and I will click from this corner into here, and the second from the corner to corner. Press enter, and I will choose yes to automatically scale the object. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027, how to align objects.